Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 80L Camino and this is by Hotwheels. So this is from, this is a 2023 casting and I bought it for 179 back then, which was the MRP back then. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Even I'm really curious to see how this castings really looked, because it's been more than 2 years at this point. Okay. Okay, so here is the card art. The card art looks really beautiful. So let's see how the casting actually looks. Okay, so here is the casting itself. The paint job looks really good. The livery looks really nice. See, when the light hits at the right angle, it looks really good. The striping really pops out. So it doesn't have any headlight detailing here, but it is engraved, in plastic. So it's just molded, and it has door handles here, which is really good. So it doesn't have any tail light details either. Honestly, I'm disappointed on this because I do love El Caminos, and they did it in Matchbox really well. And the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. So chassis has a little bit of detail into it, which is really nice. And the bed here, this part, the black part here, that is plastic, that is not metal. The bumper, the front bumper and rear bumper, that is connected with the chassis here, so all these things are plastic. So this part, this is actually just part of the body, that is metal. The hood looks really nice. I really love this. You can see the interior here, even though it's tinted, like I think somewhere around 70%, but it does look really good. Yeah, let's weigh this casting. Feels a bit wider. I'm not sure if this will fit the track, but let's see. That is 7 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it fits the track. Okay, it rolls good. It is not like, doesn't roll at all. So at some point, it is getting, it is touching right side of the track. So it rolls good, not bad. Yeah. So if you have a little bit of wider track or something which has little bit less friction than this one, this would roll really good. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. So I'm taking zero point 0.5 for this headlight and taillight detailing, so 9.5 out of 10. So apart from that, I'm not seeing any issue at all. It looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.